Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC coin. Yes, $10 price for Terra Classic within the next 5 years to come. That is, if LUNC bonds over 6.5 trillion coins, because Terra Classic only need about between 20 billion to 100 billion coins in order for Terra Classic to reach within the level of $10 to $20. But at least if they can bond 6.5 trillion coins, Terra Classic definitely will be hitting towards $30 to $10 price. And we believe that in the next 7 years, that is between now and the year 2030, which I know for some people is a very long period of time. Oh yes, Dogecoin started about 2013. Now this is about almost 10 years of Dogecoin. And remember, Dogecoin started trading with almost 4 or 5 zeros. Today you can see where Dogecoin is. So within a long period of time, I believe that's a possibility. But right now, Terra Classic are focusing on burning more coins, and they only need to burn out this 6.5 trillion. Right now, I believe, yes, there's a possibility. We are at 5 point right now because over 1.1 trillion has been taken out of Terra Classic supply. Okay, so now the speculating is about 5 points, and that's the plan to still stake over 1 trillion coins of Terra Classic, and also to plan how they can manage to burn over 3 trillion coins within the next 2 years to come. And also there's a proposal for the mass burning of Terra Classic. First of all, they want to see if they can start by burning out the remaining supply. I don't know if LUNC developers will accept the proposal, because we have about 1 trillion coins remaining supply. So if they can burn that, definitely we'll be talking about 4 point something trillion. Now if the staking continues to increase and Terra Classic start massive burning, whereby they can engage so many Terra Classic owner, okay, those who actually own Terra Classic coins, to burn at least 5%, or to decide to burn at least 2 or 3% of their coins, definitely it will help this coin to burn more coins. So these are the plans. So everyone tells you $10, yes, it is possible, but not that $10 will be just the Terra Classic will be rising like this with the number of supply they have. No, Terra Classic need a very huge tax, which will be difficult for them to achieve, which is burning over 6 trillion or 6.5 trillion. It's a very huge tax, which I know it will be very, 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 very difficult for Terra Classic to really reach that. But anyway, let's keep hoping for the best and keep hoping that Terra Classic will definitely reach that level soon. Once again, thank you for stopping by.